how to set the time and date on an automatic watch. I got two automatic watches here, one with a date, one without a date. So you want to pull this out. Stops the second hand. Now you have motion of your minute hand. So we're just going to go forward. Set this to 3 o'clock. There you go. Now with the date, got a Hublot here. It's a little bit trickier. So first what you want to do is pull this all the way out. Stops it. When you're setting the date, you want to make sure that you're in between 4 and 7 o'clock, because there's gears on the inside of the automatic movement that will break. So this is a good rule of thumb, between 4 and 7 o'clock. Now what you want to do is push this back in one. Oh. Now I have my date. Right, so today, the 16th. Now you leave it a day before, so you make sure that you're in AM. Six. Okay, see it switched to 16. This is 12 a.m. on the 16th. This is 3 a.m. Now you are at 3 p.m. on the 16th. And there you go.